everybody. Here we are at Western Carolina University on energy upgrades. Let's take a walk through. Walk into the mechanical room. Okay, here we go. It's going to be kind of noisy. Mechanical room. Here's our chiller. Air handler 1. Air handler 2. And here's our plant. New air handler. Duct revisions. And 96 VAV boxes. Demolition. Been here about 4 days now. We've already moved the pneumatic compressor to a temporary expansion tank, chemical injector. Where everything was, blank wall now. We're going to open this wall up next week. Slide our new air handler.